In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the ink level error on the Epson L5290.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This error appears when you refill the tanks but do not reset the ink levels inside the printer. It can also happen when the ink becomes very low and the printer stops its maintenance functions. To fix this problem, go to the printer settings and open the maintenance. From the maintenance menu, find and select the Set Ink Levels option. Select each of the 4 ink colors one by one. Set the correct ink level for each color. After adjusting all 4 colors, click the Cancel button. This will complete the ink level reset process on your Epson L5290. Now your Epson L5290 ink level error is fixed, and your printer is ready for normal printing again. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful tips and guides.